I was sent this car vacuum to check it out and give my honest opinion. Let's take it out of the box and see what it comes with. So in the box, of course, you have the vacuum cleaner itself. It's got the 12-volt accessory cord that goes in your vehicle to plug in. It comes with a flexible extension, a couple attachments, accessories. And this one's got the small end on it. This one's the brush end. It comes with an extra filter. It actually already has a filter inside of it. And then it comes with also a hard extension. That's a pipe extension. It comes with an extra fuse, a little brush to clean out the filter that it has in there when you're cleaning off the filter. And then it comes, of course, with a manual on how to use this and a bag to store it all in. So it's a pretty neat little package there. Let's go ahead and put it together and test it out. So my truck's not filthy, but it definitely ain't clean. So let's go ahead and try this vacuum and see how well it vacuums just the miscellaneous stuff that I have in my mat here. As you can see, all of that dirt and dust and whatever we're vacuuming up collects in this little container here, and that's what we would dump out when we're done. Let's try the other floor mat on the driver's side that I know is going to be a lot dirtier. So of course this is the driver's side, which definitely gets dirtier. It's the dirtiest mat in the truck. So let's go ahead and vacuum this up. All right, and to dump this, it's as simple as taking out this little piece here, twisting it, and then letting it all fall into the trash. So definitely a good vacuum to have around. I like having these small little vacs like this, so you can just plug it into your car, vacuum up what little mess you have, and then put it away. Doesn't take up much space. I think it did a really good job. It comes with everything you need right in that little bag. So yeah, I like it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.